the match because we don't want to just destroy. We just want 3 token black guys for destroy. So that's what you can say, see, them not good. Conservative government phone, man. And I come talk about Pretty Patel. Pretty Patel is minority too. So she minority racist against rascal, minority to Rasta. You don't know that. Eh? Asian are who racist against black people like Asian people, Rasta. And when I sit down there going like you don't know that because you don't want to use them as a pan. You don't use them as a pan all the while. And a tool to carry out a racist agenda against black people. Like me not like people not blood clot there and no. We're not going like we are idiot. We don't observe things to Rasta. Eh? Eh? We don't need no Asian to define our suffering or try even address or attempt to act like say.
Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? Yes, see. Set the path for the youth, them. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First Rastafari. And all things that's good. We want to say welcome all viewers and subscribers. You know, see, and viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. I make well grow the thing. Share and subscribe, make well grow it. You know, see, you them need to know. But, man, I stay strong and keep them shoulder up and chin up with the revelation of certain things where man I observe, given the recent spate of racist attack we happened to the footballer them the other day. Yeah. And for the man they were commenting on my feed and said the youth them sell out so them deserve what them get. More I want to ask yourself, you know, what them sell and who them sell it to and who them sell out. You know, see it. Yes, I. Seeing. So, we just said the whole thing organized. You see it. And from my perspective, it's a celebration. The authorities them celebrate when them a chat and a highlight and a push out certain argument and I go on like them and make no effort for dispose of this thing. Yeah. You know, see it. This racist agenda. In fact, from my psychological observation, I study them I feel it more and more. One of the main things I observe, yeah, none of the youth them where them abuse, them not try to make the youth them make no representation in the media whatsoever. I mean I really see that. I don't know if youth them refuse it or what, which should have been deservedly so. But again, them themselves, the media house, them would have see it as it would have been a film interest for say, yo, we attempt to try to talk to and console one of them or the lot of them. You see, I don't see no official, no authority make no attempt. I don't ball and I demands that, you know, I just show and say, all of them things, you know, and I like so well then, them people, you know what it takes for look apologetic. You see it. And people, you know what them do. You see it. No in the media, I don't see no black authority figure, no black representative make no woolly pa shout out and ball out. I just couple football, like 1 or 2 football, I'll make a speech from love, me soon get into that. Me and I say, well, then the black representative, them must stay out of the limelight, you know, see, but me now see the media also make an effort for pull up them black youth that we might have or should have experienced these atmospheres in the past that went unheard of. You know what I say? Give enough of them youth that will come to the same public sphere where the public are demand. That's them possession, perform up to fit them expectation and standard. You understand me? Or up to fit them demand. You know, see it. We know enough of them youths that go through that in the past. Them a big man, you know, and whole heap of them must have some whole heap analogy and you know, at least some little reference how this thing can be addressed. You know, see it. But officially, we don't hear none of them in the media. We don't see nobody try find none of them and try. You know, see it. Prime Minister him jump up and say it's unfortunate with what go on. See, Labour themselves, the opposition, them come out and say the people them where do them thing must be banned from football matches. Now, you see, even the opposition leader, you see, them a dilute the consequence in regards to the abuse of black people, Rasta. You know, see it. You know what I say? It's like, say, a cold water in your face. You know, see it. Don't expect nothing from them people, Rasta. And don't act like and accept them little simple mercies and go on like say them a do nothing. You know, see it. Oh, you feel talk about what the consequence will be banned from a match? You disrespect a man, humanity. Anybody try that with the Jews and get banned from everything for life? You know, see it. Anybody try that with any other nation? Even the Islamic people them. Yeah, but Islamophobia. It's a crime now, Rasta. Want to blackophobia. Eh? Want to black phobia, Rasta. Black people don't feel pain too. You don't come with enough fuck crip on the news from morning, from when, not when, from this whole thing I start. And I know. To me, it's like the movies them want to make, the slave movie them want to make on a braggadocious and a show off how wicked you is. Because no always a winning night. You never make a slave movie about Haiti. We do a reaching on Haiti when Bookman come over there, come stringing up on all of the coastline. The coastline of Haiti line off with be a white colonists hanged. How no do a movie like that, even a horror movie, Rasta, and show that there was some level of resistance. We don't even gone back to Jamaica yet. You know, see it. I'm not sure the world why you know hate it till this day and continue to defile. Even the very insect them will live at Haiti. You know, see it. I may observe that as cowardice and psychotic. You know, see it. Because if I don't like a guy, I just tell a guy and make a guy know. But I fight undercover and I go on like say. You know, see it. Right through the whole match, you have some very proficient black footballers on the side where never get pick or choose to play right through the whole tournament, Rasta. A man mentioned in the comment section say look like even the manager himself that try to keep the side as white as possible. You know, see it, because I'm sure Sancho have a bigger repertoire and a more expensive forward striker than Kane. You know? You know? I don't really think black people are idiot. I don't really think black people are idiot. You know, see it. I hope with all of my heart to them youth that do that on purpose as a sort of protest. You know? Yeah. Because at the end of the day, even if the match itself, the tournament itself, show how much of what they are and what they mean to the whole thing. You understand what I say? You see it. So obviously, the people them out in the public I go show the same level of emotion where the FA and the managerial part of the thing show towards the youth them Rasta. I want them to know. This whole thing was organized and engineered and maintained by some substandard thinking, some inferior guy where only can feel superior if them dehumanize others. You know, see it. You see, them things are going from morning. And they're nothing strange or nothing new to the youth them. If you think I lie, watch that video. Watch that video.
Go to Enfield Park and see the other people congregating. Go and harass them as well then, innit? And put them in handcuffs. Can't just put people in handcuffs for no reason.
You start becoming evasive with me.
Do you understand? Go to the park where everyone's having a barbecue and handcuff them and search them same time. Hello? So then go to the park and handcuff them and search them. I'm allowed to speak. It's England. I've got my own voice. You can't say to me I can't speak now. Arrest me for speaking then. Arrest me for speaking. Go to the park and handcuff everybody who's in the park that's breaking corona. You can't say just that he's doing this to him now then. That's what his reason is for handcuffing the poor boy. Because of corona. Go to the park and handcuff them and search them as well. That's what I'm saying. It's not fair. I have a young son. I wouldn't like that to be my son. Handcuff. It's wrong. You shouldn't handcuff people. I'm not against you searching him if he's in the wrong. However, if you're saying under corona, go to the park and handcuff them at the same time when you're speaking to them.
It's under corona.
All right,
you are
cool.
not helping, are you?
I'm not helping.
No, you're not.
Okay. As long as it's not a unlawful arrest, I'm here.
It's not being arrested.
Search him. But he's handcuffed.
You know what you're going on about. I'll start
It's
engaging in a
handcuffed.
conversation with you,
After you've searched him.
Finish my guy when I go shopping.
Can I put that in your pocket? Can I put that in your pocket or your bag? So you don't drop it.
I told you that's the thing.
Cattle. I'd like to see if they do this to Joe Bloggs in Enfield Park today. Enfield Town Park. I'd like to know that. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Look, hello everybody. Would you like to see? This boy was with the rest of them. Sorry, young man. But there's a reason why he's not in handcuffs. And this young man is in handcuffs. And this young man is in handcuffs. Excuse me, officer, could you please explain why he's in handcuffs, the black boy's in handcuffs, this black boy's in handcuffs, they was all together and this man is not in handcuffs. Please explain that. Explain it. Sir, can you see the difference? He's not in handcuffs, and this young boy's in handcuffs, and this young boy's in handcuffs, but they was all together. Please explain that, Enfield. And they say that racism is not here no more. Why? Why is the two black boys in handcuffs and he's not? They was all together. Go on, explain that, officers. Explain that. Explain that, officers. Explain that. You can't. Fuckers, man. It's fucking bullshit. And you lot took...
Now the thing about all of them things is the effort them with the media them put in keeping them things secret out of the public sphere. You know, see, in most cases, you yourself have to experience them for believe them and know so them are true. Worse, somebody outside of the country. The media machinery in Britain work. It's not, well racist to say the least. You know, see it. It maintained the agenda with everything what go on. You know, see it. Because regardless of what politician and them friend think, the media is supposed to be an independent body with feet own diagnostics. You know, see it. And feet own, you know. Yes, Rasta. In regards to racism and them thing there, the media's input is aligned with the politician them. Nothing no change. You know see it. And even the people themselves. Even the people themselves. Them deal with it like so well then. You know. We don't want to feel like that, Rasta. Like it's an animal movement or a climate change movement. You know see it. We don't need enough to feel what we feel. You know see it. But the man what would that take for benefit uno as well. White people we are getting involved in attack. The man the white would that take for benefit uno. You know see it. Black people are deprived the uneducated people Rasta without confidence enough to ask for certain things where you know them don't even know what them need there. So when I come in at the thing and uno just say what do I make uno demand the same what thing where would I make uno feel some level you know me I say redress Rasta. You know see it? Yeah. Nobody deal with the thing like so well then they just there jump behind we and I ask for the same little thing them where the uneducated people and we never have no rights before I have nothing. So them they know what them need from what them no want. And we don't want no rights Rasta. We want laws. We don't want a boy come tell we about. We don't want a boy come sorry for you and them. We want laws we back up the thing and ensure that some people, you know, see it. And we need them laws. What you mean? I want to know we need laws and legislations and rules. You know, see it. Guy come talk about guy enough to come back a football match and forget banned. What the fuck that have to do with we? Eh? We not take one time enjoyment to no go home go play that on PlayStation amongst some friend and family them. I go watch match on TV same way. Like what most black people have to do because we can't afford to buy blood clot season ticket. Eh? Our benefit different from white people benefits. Have to be with blood clot evil politician like them here. We are in the face of such insult as soldiers will go out there. We go fight with the flag on them back. You know see it. When you sit down and watch the people them a disrespect and a destroy what little confidence the youth them have left. And that's why I put them three youth there alone in the match. Because we don't want to just destroy. We just want three token black guys for destroy. So that's what you can say, see, them not good. Conservative government phone, man. And I come talk about Pretty Patel. Pretty Patel is minority too. So she, minority racist against rascal, minority to Rasta. You don't know that. Eh? Asian are who racist against black people like Asian people, Rasta. And when I sit down there going like you don't know that because you don't want to use them as a pan. You don't use them as a pan all the while. And a tool to carry out a racist agenda against black people. Like me not like people not blood clot there and no. We're not going like we are idiot. We don't observe things to Rasta. Eh? Eh? We don't need no Asian to define our suffering or try even address or attempt to act like say them know what we feel. You know see it? Our struggle Rasta. You know see it? Whereas are the same people when Idi Amin kick out. Now Idi Amin kick out Pretty Patel them father out of Uganda Rasta. What kind of love, what kind of passion, what kind of compassion she have for black people? How we no expect her to have that Rasta? Eh? If we don't even expect her, there's too much shadow of a doubt surrounding that woman there. Fair give she charge over black people human rights. You know see it? Like it's not another ply that to keep us struggling and keep us suffering. You know see it? So much Jamaican get deported illegally. Illegally. I want to mention and talk about them things that 99% of Jamaican people don't know the laws of Britain. First, them don't know them human rights. No black man in a year I give up, no have up there and make the representation on our behalf or make the suggestion to what him think should be done. At the same racist, rascal, white boy, them up there, Asian people. I make representation for black. It's that even. I insult that because you psychologically know say, you not tell black people say, you don't respect our business where we want bumbuckler think. You don't think we are idiot? You don't observe that. Look how long this thing happen. Look how long this thing happen. Every day I watch the news. You don't see it. I don't see one black man of consequence, woman of consequence, we can influence the law. You don't see it. The few black people I'm going to interview have like a like myself. You don't see it. You don't see it. The few people who we see have on a necktie like you. You don't see it. You look for some people who have on hoodie like myself. With them little logo upon them shirt. Make it look like a data our representation in a society today, Rasta. So I have to go make a recommendation them because I have learned bumble them like say we are idiot. I want to know. A fool in a check for. A fool in a check for. You don't see it. You don't see it. You don't have no right to do so. Regardless of how we want to act like fool. Regardless of the circumstance that got us here today. You don't see it. You never know what the circumstance might be tomorrow and you find out what's going on. You know how that is when a man realizes he's being led down the wrong path all along. You don't see it. And nobody think we alone will find out. For the people more find out too. Same time when we are find out. You don't see it, Rasta. This whole thing piss me off, man. You don't keep on the simple mercies, man, and don't say nothing, man. When you don't see, when you don't race soldier, them go out, they go on with them thing. And disrespect black people. And don't say nothing, man. And just hold that, man. And smile enough a smile and cheers on a champagne glass to, man. And them bumble the way I expect, man. That's that enough to do, man. Feel better in our heart, man. You know, see, I want to tell you, say the hypocrisy. Well, able, prime minister, politician, Pretty Patel and the whole of the hypocrisy where able to sleep off on the bed with pound mind at night time. It's amazing. You see, it's amazing, Rasta. Yeah, man. For no conscience broad like that of, you know. People say devil and God not real, Rasta. You see, or people say devil not real. You want to know what kind of people look upon Uno and say devil not real. You know, and if devil real, God must real. You see, you see. Yes, Rasta. You know how you sit down in a phone yourself and comfort phone yourself with them level of hypocrisy there, and we not going and being it for doing nothing. Because you know say my truth, a phone of people truth too. You know see it. My truth, a phone of people truth too. Because the truth is just the truth. You know see it. Yeah. You know. Nobody should be surprised, man. I don't want nobody go out there and act like so well. Then, yeah, we don't love the Rasta. I want to know a joke thing that. You know see it. We don't go and go parliament and forget. Law can change up a when in the yard. Law change when motorway black Rasta. You see it. Law change when you make the world see what go on, man. You see it. When you go on a Marcus Rashford picture. Gonna stand up there and protest. Nothing wrong with you. You not dead Rasta like a 9 night or a vigil in a gun, the gun wall. You know see it? You know see it? One youth will save kids right across Britain or some of them hungry bumbo where they can benefits too. You know see it? The same benefit where Marcus Rashford fight for kind of them picnic and use them benefit for the picnic them, you know. Enough of them people here breed so that them can have that money there for themselves. The quarter of the money they spend on the child that it was intended for, man, and for themselves, man. Them go out and show off. You know see, and buy the latest this and Maglin and the latest that. And still, I struggle for school meal. In a school, the children them must struggle for school meal where Marcus Rashford they go defend. You know see, so that them can have an extra change to buy the same data, put on them phone and come abuse him. You know see, so them people move like dog to them vomit. You know see, them people watch a dog vomit and yam it up back anyway and kiss the dog after. Oh, you're okay. I thought you were sick. I saw you threw up and you licked it up back. You're okay. Blah, blah, blah. Boss be a lick on the dog to Rasta. You know see it? Dog to them vomit, man. You know see it? If you know what go on. Jano. Motorway change conversation. You see it? You want to kill off the whole of it on camera? The whole of it go live, Rasta. When we are dead, I just saw it go. You see it? Yeah. I saw it go. Shut down the internet then. You know, so me say anytime we see the internet shut down, the whole of it could just organize and cuddle together because anything possible during them time there. You see it? And we just know so we're ready for war, for fight and defend ourselves. Regardless of which group. You know see it? The end of the day, Rasta, there must be a plan B for when plan A buck. Because plan A is about for buck, you know. And what else the plan? Listen, if you don't intend for reason with people and make them know the position and space where them there, while you act like that is the right thing to do. Education is the key, you know. You can't go on like say, you want to educate people about race and racism. And you not start with where the miseducation begin. And the reason for the purpose. You can't hide them things. That's why it proven to me, so politicians have today, you know, want done this, you know. That divide and that nastiness here, them love it, them enjoy it. You see, matter of fact, it keep us distracted while them gain more and more. And I can't seem to understand where them people here scoop and a scrape so much gold for do with it. Them have a secret so them have band back, where we not have. Boy, I mean, I know Rasta, it looks so. It looks so. You know see, cause one man don't need so much, you know, I never, you know, all me I say, whatever science them use pan we Rasta it whole way. Not just as black people, you know, but as people on the planet Rasta. You see, it whole way. It's frustrating, no doubt. You see, but education, you see, because I know say if I make you feel like say you're acting an eye interest, you know, just like a pyramid scheme, them where the guy them come up with all the while where them say, yo, if you buy that shares there and that amount of shares, we can get back. Right? Yo, Richie WhatsApp, what you do? Yeah. You know, cause people don't usually give away money. That me know. You see it. Me don't know how or what. Oh, you know. So me just love that. See? So just like them little thing there. You know, see it. People just follow them head on and blind like say, you know, and believe in everything. But one day after, you know, the earth, Rasta. Okay, you see many kingdom comes and go. You know, see. See many kingdom comes and go, man. You know, see. Who notice that one man a survivor for miseducation, total con. You know, see it. And, you know, yes, Rasta. And I give thanks. Share, like, and subscribe. That one is a pissed off rant. You know, see it. Rastafari.